Hello, yummy mummies and mummies to be, yummy daddies and daddies to be. Welcome back to my channel, The Maternity Diary. Happy New Year to you all. And I'm thrilled to share my incredible New Year's experience in the beautiful town of Kananaskis. From breathtaking mountain views to thrilling activities, it was an unforgettable way to ring in the new year.
I wanna say hello today. No matter what you do on first time, nobody can stop me, no way. They said before that I am destined. What I really wanted to be. And I know many people envy, not because he's proud of anything, but because he's a living test.
So our adventure began with a drive to Kananaskis, and man, it was a beautiful drive. We did this activity with two other family friends of ours, which made the experience even more enjoyable and exciting.
Get stairs everywhere your body go. I go to places you ain't heard of. I'm not scared of anything. You say a lot that I'm aware of, that I'm better off.
Once we got to the beautiful town of Kananaskis, we started to feel the crisp winter air. And first thing we did was to go rent some ice skates. Everybody got an ice skate, but guess what? Not everybody skated. Even myself, I never got far. Like, I was right at the tip there because I hadn't skated in over 5 years, and I was so petrified that I was going to fall and break my back. And so, yeah, there were frozen lakes in Kananaskis, but we did the rinks, which was a perfect setting for gliding across this ice because we had kids, and it was important for us to also keep safe and not go to the lake itself, the frozen lake. And skating with friends and family under the open sky was a magical experience, and it truly captured the essence of the season. After we were done, we went back to the shop to drop off our ice skates, and we found some interesting pieces, some interesting jewelry and other things. And so, yeah, we couldn't help ourselves but grab a couple of things to remind us of Kananaskis.
Love, I got a lot to show for it. Nobody loves me like you do. Step on the stage, I put on my shoes. As in the world, it's us I choose. Nobody loves me like you do.
Another highlight was the invigorating hike to witness the Majestic Mountains up close. We embarked on this picturesque trail that was surrounded by snow-covered trees and the tranquility of nature. And as we ascended, the panoramic views of the towering peaks took our breath away. In fact, it took my breath away. I felt I could stay here forever. It was really a moment of pure awe and appreciation for the beauty of the Canadian Rockies, and most of all, for our dear God who created them all. This is breathtaking.
Rephrase whatever I say. I need a big space, I need a big stage to tell the whole world that I see. I need a big place, is you on my necklace. If you didn't bleed my life's in vain. When I need a shower, you give me rain. Never heard a much more powerful name. You that I choose, I don't need none.
Yes, we stopped by at the hotel for a delightful lunch, and I decided to try something new. So I ordered braised short rib pappardelle. Even though it contained mushrooms, which I usually avoid at all costs, it was my first time tasting this dish, and I must say it was an incredible surprise. Despite my usual aversion to mushrooms, the flavors were so harmonious that I thoroughly enjoyed the meal, and you can see me enjoying the meal here. The tender short rib combined with the perfectly cooked pappardelle made an exquisite dining experience. I actually felt like I was a multi-millionaire eating this food. And to my surprise, guess what? I ended up finishing the entire plate.
Do your best now, cause you don't know about tomorrow. Save nobody else will do it, I'ma lead and they go follow. See, I'ma live my life right, there's no sorrow. Me, I'ma give, I didn't come here to borrow. Cause when I look around, I see the fresh and pain. You won't believe what I found, I guess I'm not the same. So when I lose myself, I really know your names. Oh, love lives serving always, yeah. If you believe in second chances, stop living in the past. If you believe in different glasses, you won't go too fast. If you believe in second chances, stop living in the past. If you believe in different glasses, you won't go too fast. I'ma live my life.
If I want to push you down, I'll give you 100 million.
Bring them 100 million first. Bring it first.
We went on to continue to explore the area, and one of the most charming activities that we did was to hop onto the Christmas mini trains, which the kids were pushing for us to do. We had to wait for, I think, close to 40 minutes before the train came, and it was worth the experience. The train was decorated with twinkling lights and the holiday cheer, and these adorable trains took us on a delightful ride through the winter wonderland. And it felt like a journey through a storybook that was filled with joy and laughter. And at every point that we'll get to, a train driver will honk at people and wave them. It was so beautiful. I felt like the Queen of England, you know.
Live my life like it's my last day. Live my life like it's my last day. So I'ma live my life like it's my last day. Ooh, so I'ma live my life like it's my last day. Live my life like it's my last day. So I'ma live my life like it's my last day. I've been thinking through the night. It's life then, am I doing the right? Just wanna go be out of sight. Cause I'm Friday. Boys in the club on a Friday. Top speed dash on the highway. Can't sleep, I've got a migraine. Am I insane? Sick and tired of what you've been through. Tired of lies and you want truth. You need somebody to speak to. Just rest, make up your mind, make up your mind. Just take your time, just take your time. If you wanna find your peace of mind, you might as well say. Cannot do the same, cannot do the same, cannot do the same no more. Cannot do the same, cannot do the same, cannot do the same no more. I've been thinking through the night. This life thing, am I doing the right? Just wanna go be out of sight. Cause I'm Friday. Boys in the club on the Friday. Top speed dash on the highway. Can't sleep, I've got a migraine. Am I insane? Sick and tired of what you've been through. Tired of lies and you want truth. You need somebody to speak to. Just rest, make up your mind, make up your mind. Just take your time, just take your time. If you wanna find your peace of mind, you might as well say. Cannot do the same, cannot do the same, cannot do the same no more. Cannot do the same, cannot do the same, cannot do the same no more.
So reflecting on our time in Kananaskis during the new year was an absolute dream. From the thrill of ice skating to the serenity of the hikes, the festive train rides, and unexpectedly delightful lunch at the hotel, every moment was filled with joy and wonder. It is an experience that I'll cherish forever, and I'll continue to go there as long as the money is coming. It was a perfect way to start the new year. Thanks so much for joining me. Thanks so much for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures and experiences and other videos that are not necessarily travel adventures. So until next time, don't forget to stay happy, stay healthy, stay beautiful, and never ever forget that God loves you. Happy New Year, folks. Bye.
I'ma live my life like it's my last day.